Hey guys, it's TechBear89 and I'm going to show you how to root and install a custom recovery on your new Nexus 7. Okay, today we'll be using a toolkit developed by recognized developer Hasoon2000 on XDA. So just go ahead and download that, install the drivers, and then when you've done that, I will show you how to get into the bootloader mode. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to hold down the power volume down button, rocker, and the power at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. Until you see the screen. Come on. There we go. So when you see this screen, that is a good thing. You just want to click up. So this is start. It says bootloader locked. You guys can't see that very well. Secure boot enabled. Lock state locked. Alright. So let's go ahead and plug it into the computer, and let's go ahead and open his software that he developed to root and get a custom recovery. Okay. If it is your first time installing it or throwing it to a computer, then let it install drivers first. Don't touch anything, because you will get a installing Android. Let it do that first. I am using a Windows 8 64 Pro. So once you've done that, go ahead and go to the download folder. I'll have a link in the description of my YouTube channel. So once you've done that, you will go ahead and download it. Go to your downloads, extract the folder to your desktop or some reference of where you downloaded it. So once you've done that, click the folder, right click, run as administrator, and then unlock bootloader, click go. Alright. Okay, so this is a good thing. When you guys see this, you will say, basically you want to back up all your stuff, and you will lose everything. As far as everything on your internal SD card will be wiped. Once you do this, your warranty will not be void. You're responsible for anything you do to your device. I'm not. I'm just simply showing you how to unlock your bootloader and install root and a custom recovery. But once you do that, you have free access to do whatever you want with it. So it is giving you a warning. If you unlock the bootloader, you will be able to install custom operation software, custom OS, blah blah blah, to prevent authorized blah blah blah. Press the volume up to select yes or no. If you press it down, it will say do not unlock the bootloader. If you click yes, which is up on the volume rocker, it will unlock your bootloader. Alright, so go ahead and click up on your bootloader, or on your volume rocker, and then click the power button. There we go. Now it says bootloader status unlocked. Alright, cool. So now we are at the step to install a custom recovery. So now that you're still in the bootloader, this is the bootloader. If you want twerp or clockwork mod recovery, you can either or. Twerp is the easiest one I prefer because it's all touch based. Clockwork mod is using the volume up and down buttons to get to where you want to do. They do have a touch version, but it's like $2 donation, which is not too bad. So now once you've done that, unlocked your bootloader, you will want to go over here on the computer and click flash twerp Wi-Fi. Now this part's really important because you do not want to flash the ROM recovery if you flash the wrong recovery, there's a good chance you might brick your Nexus 7, and you don't want to do that. So the model, this is a 16 gigabyte Wi-Fi model. So once you know that, you want to go ahead and click twerp Wi-Fi only model, flash recovery. It says this will flash twerp for Wi-Fi only models. Make sure USB debugging is enabled. You have 2 more screens. When your device is in Bootloader, close the first command prompt. Ignore the screen. Ignore the device not found error message if you're already in Bootloader. The second screen will initiate and flash the recovery. Okay, so you will get device not found, which is completely normal, is what he said. So now it just sent the recovery on the computer. So let's verify that we have the recovery. So you would want to go use your volume down button and go to recovery mode and see what happens. You should have to work. Google, unlocked. Team win. Alright. So now, this is new. I guess I go ahead and make a password. Just make a easy password. 2 4 zeros, doesn't matter. Cancel that. So now that you have twerp 2.6, go ahead and click the clock. Let's see. Settings, time zone, Pacific. So time zone, 11:37. I prefer military time because I think it's easier to tell time. Okay. Screen, you can tell what time, tell it to basically how long you want the screen to be dim for. So 60 seconds, okay. And if you guys want to back up your device, you can do that. So just go click backup, and you can enable compression, leave the boot system and the data. Do not back up your recovery because that might screw up your device. It's just better to flash it normally. And once you've done that, you can set a backup name, but it doesn't look like we have an option here. This might be a beta version, but back it up. Back up your current ROM. That way, if anything, make an Android. That way, if anything bad happens, you can basically just use the device to restore everything that you had, and that's that. So I will show you how to flash Super SU once that is there. Alright guys, what I've done is I have a USB OTG cable. They're like $3 or $4 on eBay or wherever you can get them on Amazon. They're all over the web if you know where to look for them. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and looked for a Super SU zip to flash root over on the recovery. So once you've done that, then you have full root access. So technically you have that when you unlock your device. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, give it about a couple seconds to register the USB device. Really cool thing about twerp recovery is you can flash stuff over from a USB to save yourself some storage. So what you want to do is, should be already registered, make sure that everything's secured, is you want to go to mount, USB OTG, internal device. So click that, click OK, go back to install. These are all the different ROMs I have for my phones. So what you want to see is when you flash, you want to see update Super SU version 1.1 zip. So click that. Click go ahead to confirm flash. So go ahead and flash it. It should say successful. Just wipe that. You don't have to. That's when you install a different kernel and you don't back up this current one. You always want to make sure you wipe cache and Davic. That way nothing goes wrong. So let's verify we have root. Let's first unmount the system. Unmount the USB. go here, click, or go to storage, click internal. Okay. Alright. And then reboot system. Okay, let's see where we're at. See if we ever. It might take a little bit longer to boot up than normal. This is completely normal. Nexus logo. This is unlocked bootloader from Nexus 7. Thanks to all the guys that have actually found root discovery. It's a very useful tool. And I will get back to you when this device is fully started. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, and hit that thumbs up button. And once your Nexus turns on from they say about 10 minutes once you unlock the bootloader. Verify that you have root access. Open up SU. It may ask you to update the binary. Go ahead and do that. If you have twerp installed, go ahead and click twerp/clockwork mod recovery. Click that, and it should take you to it should reboot the device into the recovery. It should flash the SU binary, and you should be good to go. And then if you want to verify that you actually have root access, go to the Play Store, look up verify root access or something like that. Go ahead and download that, install it, open it. If it asks for Super SU permission, that means you have root. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good night.